Hello, Sam Spinelli, your trusted real estate guy. The big question right now is the housing market in 2021 was a hot market. Going into 2022, what are the projections for that? So I have a vested interest, so don't take my word for it. I have what analysts are talking about right now as well. Based on what the analysts are seeing, the forecast for 2022 is an average of what the analysts, and this is nationwide, of what the analysts are saying is that they expect 5.1% appreciation nationwide. Here in the Bay Area, we tend to appreciate a little bit faster, and our prices tend to be a little higher as well. But I do have a slide specifically towards the end for the Bay Area. Everything here is nationwide. So analysts are also saying, if you take a look over the last 3 years, in 2020, 6.5 million homes sold in 2020. In 2021, 6.8 million homes sold. In 2022, they're projected that 6.925 million homes will be sold. So again, projecting it to be a stronger year than the last 2 years. Now, inventory. Don't get me started on inventory. This is nationwide. Everybody across the nation is complaining about less than 3 months of inventory. We have half a month's worth of inventory. So again, housing market is very strong for us as from the seller's perspective for sure, and the buyers are still lining up to purchase. What happens when interest rates go up? Okay, so when interest rates go up, and they're going to go up, they're not going to stay the way they are currently, definitely not forever, and not even within the next year. And so they're expecting that interest rates will go up over the next year. In 2022, 3.3 they're projecting in the first quarter, 3.43, 3.55, and 3.7. Now, of course, they're projecting that could be more, could be less. But what happens when those interest rates do go up? Historically speaking, over the last 20 years or so, there has not been a depreciation when the interest rates do go up. You can see interest rates do go up, and they've always fluctuated. But historically, the only time that we've actually seen over the last 20 years a depreciation was in 2006, was during the housing crash, the Great Recession. So then the next question comes, as a home buyer, again, we don't want to time the market. As a home buyer, if you were to purchase a home, this is nationwide, and I have a slide specifically for the Bay Area. But as a home buyer, if you were to purchase a home in January 2021, $350,000 purchase, and by January 2026, you can expect that you'd have $111,285 additional equity on top of what you put down into the home. Here in the Bay Area, I have a different slide for you, so this is the one everybody wants to see. Here in the Bay Area, if you were to purchase that home for $1.3 million in January 2021, by January 2026, you can expect, using the numbers nationwide, not using projections for the Bay Area specifically, but just using a lower appreciation rate, you can expect $412,196 appreciation added to the value of your home at 1.3. That's not taking into account if it's a larger home, things of that nature. So any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Happy holidays. If you have any questions, 408-393-9294. I'm always here and happy to help. Take care.